Hey, and welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and setting up the Neewer Ring Light 18-inch kit. And I just got this kit, guys, and I'm very excited about it because I've been tugging and lugging around with the umbrella lights for a very long time, guys. And although I really like the quality of the lighting of the umbrella lights, I can tell you that it takes up a lot of room. So I'm really excited to have a ring light now, guys. It doesn't take up much space at all. It's easy to set up and then put back away into its bag, and I'm done. I don't have to worry about where I'm going to put it, where I'm going to store it. But that's what this video is going to be about. So if you're interested in watching that, continue watching the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. All right, guys, let's get right on into this video. So this is the Neewer Ring Light Kit 18-inch, and this is what the package looks like. Inside the package is the ring light, the accessories, and the stand for the ring light. Inside of the box is the ring light bag, and everything is inside of the bag. It also has a separate box with the stand inside of it. This is the ring light stand. It also comes with a soft tube and a ball head hot shoe adapter. Inside of the bag is another box, the actual ring light itself. So here is the bag up close and personal. This bag has a lot of room, and it also has about 3 or 4 different compartments. It has 2 side compartments that have zippers. Also has 2 middle compartments where you can pretty much store your ring lights, the power cord adapter, the remote, and anything else, any other accessory that the ring light comes with. Inside the box, you'll find the instructions and the item list that basically just tells you everything that's inside the package. You also have a remote, the power cord and adapter. You have orange and white filters. And you also have a phone adapter or attachment. So now I'm going to set up the stand, and you just have to make sure the knob is loose so that you can adjust the legs downward so that the stand is standing. Once you have it in place, you just need to make sure you tighten the knob. Now this stand has about 3 different knobs, and it has poles to extend the height. So you just loosen the knobs and extend where you want it to make it to the height that you want. Okay, so this is what the stand looks like after it has been put together or set up. The stand is about 61 inches in height. That's about 5 feet. I want to say that the 5 feet does not include the legs because this stand is taller than I am, and I'm about 5'2". So now I'm going to show you how to set up the ring light. So as you can see, there is a place to put right over the stand, and all you need to do is adjust the knobs to the side so you can loosen them to mount the ring light, and then you tighten the knob to make sure that the ring light is secure and in place. this other knob is just so that you can adjust the ring light. So you can tilt it back, keep it straight, or tilt it forward, and then tighten the knob to keep the ring light in place. Next, you will need a ball head shoe adapter. I don't know where they got this name from, but yes, that is what this is called. So there is a place to slide this ball head shoe adapter to. So once you slide it through, you can tighten it up so that it doesn't go anywhere. And now from here, you can either screw your camera, if that's what you're using, onto the ball head shoe adapter, or you can just screw on the phone adapter if you're going to be using your phone to record your video. As you can see, it's very flexible, so you can pretty much move the phone adapter around and rotate it. So if you want to keep it sturdy, there is a knob on the side that you just need to tighten up and make sure that it does not move. And now you're ready to mount your phone, and this is what the phone looks like when it's mounted. So now I'm going to be mounting the filters, and this comes with the orange filters and the white filters. So I'm going to show you what the white filters look like. These are really easy to install. All you need to do is snap these in place, and they pretty much just overlap, like one small ½ inch of each other just overlaps over the next one. Okay, so the ring light is all set and it's ready to use. So here I am just playing with the different settings of the ring light just so you can see what it can do. The ring light goes from dim to really bright. I find that you don't have to put the ring light at the brightest setting to get the best quality lighting for your video. So this is just me showing you all the different settings. Again, once I turned the ring light on, I could already see an improvement in the lighting of the video. Alright, so now I want to show you how easy it is to install your camera if you wanted to mount your camera instead of your phone. So you're just going to unscrew the phone adapter, and now all you have to do is screw your camera onto the ball head hot shoe adapter and screw that in really tight so it doesn't go anywhere, and then you are set to use your camera with the ring light. Alright, so here I am playing around with the different settings with the camera just so you can see how it looks like with the camera versus the phone. Either way, I think the ring light works really well with either device that you decide to use with it. It does definitely improve and advance the light quality of the video. Okay, so all that is left to do now is set the remote control to work with your device. It's as simple as going to Bluetooth on your device. So I'm using my phone here. I'm turning Bluetooth on and I'm going to where it says AB Shutter 3. That is what the remote is called. Once I set that up, I can use the remote to turn on my video, turn off my video. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it to be helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have a ring light. How do you like it? If you do, if you don't have a ring light, what do you use as a light source for your videos? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.